It feels nice, right, Mr. BB Bird?
What's this? Look at that, Daddy. I'm gonna go out there.
Don't go there.
Why not? I mean, it looks cool.
You're gonna get lost. Remember last time what happened to your body?
Oh yeah. Huh?
Well, it does look beautiful over here.
Yeah, it does. I can't wait.
Here's your water.
Yeah. I'm gonna drop it.
No.
I'm gonna drop it.
No, come here. Give it back.
3, 2, 1.
No, don't. Okay, BB?
Fine.
It's real dark. I think we should head out now.
Yeah.
I guess we could stay here a little longer until it's nighttime, like very nighttime.
And this is relaxing.
What? You have to be there because we have to go home.
Fine.
Alright, come on. Stop squealing, okay, Mr. BB Bird? How about this? When we get home, I'll make you a snack, okay? Alright. Bird, can you read?
What does that say?
It's Chickawawa Dam and Reservoir. Okay, I guess. Well. Okay, Mr. BB Bird, I guess you can have some water. Well, I'ma head out. Let's go. I guess we could go home now, BB Bird.